Hello friends, this is my YouTube channel called PowerPoint University. You can find more than 200 plus video tutorials which are absolutely free, and I have provided the download link for each video in the video description section. And if you need any assistance or help, you can contact me through WhatsApp on this number. And as usual, I need your support to make my content free. You can donate any amount as you like, which will help me to make more free content. Thank you for your support. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel PowerPoint University. In this tutorial, I am going to show you very exciting and very interesting slide, which is the multi-layer slide. This is how the slide works. When I click, the layer 1 will come, which I have given as excellent service, and you can see that I have used the icon of a happy face, a laughing face with the number 1, and there's a text here. Then when I click, it will show you the option 2 with a smiling face, and it's very good service. And number 3, it's not neither happy nor sad, and it's, as said, it's okay service with a text. And then the last one, which is 4, and is a sad face with a poor service. So I have used very different colors, very unique colors, and if you want, you can include more options also, but I have used only 4 multi-layer tabs here. So let's see how to create this beautiful slide in PowerPoint. Add a new slide, go to view, enable the guides and the grid lines, go to insert tab, shapes, select a rectangle, draw the rectangle till this grid line, shape outline, make it no outline, and if you want to change the color, you can change the color also. Then go to insert again, shapes, select rectangle, top corners rounded, draw this much and make it more curved and rotate it to left 90 degrees, and then say align middle. Do not say align center, say align middle. So it is perfectly aligned. And for this also, I'm going to remove the outline and going to give a darker color than this. Go to insert again, add the rounded corner rectangle from here, or you can just Control D to duplicate it. Make it a bigger size and reduce the curves and bring it till here. It should attach till here. And for this, you can change the color to a dark red, or you can say a brown also. You can see that one, it's completely matching with this one. Once this is done, I'm going to select this and these two objects, right mouse click and group it, and right mouse click again, go to format shape. I'm going to give some shadow effect. This shadow effect, if you want, you can increase the distance also. Now you can go to insert icons. You have lot of icons, you can insert it from here, or you can go to any website on the internet and you can download from there as well. Here I have downloaded some icons, which is this one, and I'm just going to say a text, which is, I will just say 1, and use any good font. Here I'm going to use Helvetica. Increase the size, make it a white, center aligned, and bring it here. So this is my first option, and then you can add your titles here. For example, I'm saying that this is a customer satisfaction, make it left aligned. I'll say that excellent service. I will reduce the font size, and below here I will add the more detailed text. For that I'll go to insert again, text box, and insert the text here. I'm just going to insert any Latin text. You can later on you can edit this one. Make it a white and justify it. Now once we have completed this one, I can group this one, but before that I'm just going to copy this again, the smaller one. I'm going to add at the beginning, just say send to back. Now I'm going to select all these objects and right mouse click, say group. Now it has become one group. Now it's easy for me to duplicate it one by one, different layers. Press Ctrl D to duplicate. You can see I've got one more. I'm just going to delete this extra which I don't need here. So this is my second layer, and I'm going to change the color of this. So I'm going to use some light colors, and this is somewhat dark, and this color remains same, and the text you can change to, I will say, from excellent to very good. And here this icon also I can change. I will delete this icon and I will copy this icon here, bring this to front, and select all this again, because I have selected this, added this one, the icon, so I have to group it again. Ctrl G, group. Now I'm just going to place it here, align it properly. So this is my second slide, not the slide, sorry, the second layer, and then press Ctrl D to duplicate. So this is my third layer. So here also I'm just going to change the color. I'm going to use some pink, and this would be a dark pink. I will change this to 3, and likewise you change the icon also. So I'm not going to change the icon. So let me just remove the grid line so that it will be very much clear. So this is my first, this is my second, this is my third. I will just say good service only, and then last press Ctrl D to duplicate again, place it here. So this color I am going to change to a light blue, and this will be somewhat a dark shade, and make it to 4 and say it's a poor service. align it properly, select all one by one and make sure that to align it top. So you can see the design is almost ready now. I'm going to add the animation to it now. Select the first layer, which is the first one. Go to animation. I'm going to use a animation called fly in. Fly in, say go to effect options and say from right. Enable the animation pane. Double click this and timing, make it medium, and effect, increase this to 1 second or more than 1 second and say okay. Now if I play, you cannot see this one because it's already hidden. So I'm just going to add the animation. Select this using animation painter. I'm going to double click this one and I'm going to select the animation 2 now, then the animation 3, then the animation 4. So you can see here I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 animations. So if I play here, the first will come, then the second, and third, and fourth. So let's see in the slideshow. So when I click, the first option will come, which is excellent service, and the detailed text will come here, and then option 2, which is very good service, will come. Then option 3 will come, good service, and the last option 4, which is poor service, will come. And if you want, you can increase the slides till 6 or 7 also, depending on the size and your text. That's it from me, friends. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe PowerPoint University. See you soon with more interesting stuff. Till then, goodbye.